In a lot of ways, I'm not just part of the healthcare industry, I'm literally married to it. My wife is a cancer surgeon. It's so motivating for me to know that the problems I'm solving are many of the same problems that she's experiencing on a daily basis. It's so exciting to think that someday she'll be able to use the software my team is building. I'm Kenney, and I oversee software engineering at PMD. So that includes product, it includes development, it includes integrations, basically anything we do to improve the technology and serve our customers that way. I get to work to solve problems for patients, for physicians, medical practices, all the way up to some of the largest healthcare organizations in the country. For me, that's where a lot of the joy and motivation comes from. Really, the only things that have been constant at PMD are growth and change. We're at the intersection of two industries that have some of the biggest change and most rapid growth of any industries, which are healthcare and technology. At that intersection, everything is constantly changing around us. Our ability to position ourselves towards the future requires us to be very nimble, to be very smart, and to always be looking ahead. Our lives are very short. The change that's needed in this world is great. The only path I see to rise to that challenge and to be able to create the change that's needed is to keep growing relentlessly. We try very hard to practice distributed command. When we began to give others ownership and responsibility and authority in their areas, that's really when we started finding more success and we're able to grow the company. There are a few key attributes for software engineers at PMD. It's definitely not a typical role. A software engineer at PMD is also a product manager. They also do quality assurance. They really own their features and their product areas from end to end. That is terrifying to software engineers, at a lot of traditional companies, but it's super exciting and super rewarding for those of us who enjoy getting out there and actually seeing and experiencing directly the impact that we're having on the world. We can actually see the smile on somebody's face as they use the software we've created. We can do that because we don't have a narrow slice of product that we work on. We do have broad and deep ownership. That allows us to meet a customer and solve a problem for that customer. The software engineers who are drawn to PMD are those who want a lot of ownership from top to bottom. They don't want to be a small part of the solution. When you bring amazing, passionate, dedicated, driven, service-oriented people together, they can create something incredible, and to me, that's PMD.